Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Knowing Our Numbers from 6th standard. This is the first chapter of maths. In this one already I have discussed the Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration in my previous video. If you haven't gone through that video, please go through that video and after that refer this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel Nirja Education, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Now we will go to our next topic, that is comparison of numbers. How can you compare two numbers? So I have written two numbers here, this one. So how can you read these numbers? I have separated this using commas. You know that after each period you have to separate using commas. So how can you read this number? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So how can you read this number? 3,70,456. Then how can you read this number? 1, 10, 100, 1, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. You can read this number as 17,345. To compare a number, first you have to see how many digits are there. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number, this one. And consider this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 digit number. So obviously you know that one 6 digit number is greater than a 5 digit number. So this number will be greater than this number. So 3,70,456 will be greater than 17,345. First you have to consider how many digits are there. So we counted here, this is 6 digit number and this is 5 digit number. So 6 digit number is greater than this 5 digit number. Now we will consider another example. Here also first we will see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both the numbers are 6 digit number. The problem will arise. You will be confused. Which number is bigger? In this case, we have to consider the number in the extreme left. That means in 6 digit, that you have to consider from right hand side, you have to do the counting. So here extreme left, which number is there? 6. And here also the number is 6. Again confusion, which one will be bigger? Yes or no? Because 6 digit number. In this case no confusion, it is easy because this is 6 digit and this is 5 digit. So obviously 6 digit number is greater. But here confusion because this is also 6 digit number and this is also 6 digit number. In both the numbers extreme left 6 is there, then how can you find which number is bigger? Next we have to consider the next number, neighboring number of this one. Which is the next number? Here it is 8 and here it is 4. Yes, these two numbers are different here. This is 8 and this is 4. Here these two numbers are different. So now consider which number is bigger. 8 is bigger or 4 is bigger? Yes, 8 is the bigger number. So we can compare these two numbers here. So this number will be the bigger number. 6,83,124 is greater than 6,45,908. So like this way you can compare two digits. Both the numbers are 6 digit number. So there will be a confusion. That is why I told you, you have to find the number in the extreme left. If the numbers are same, consider the next number. Again the numbers are same means consider the next number. Like this way you have to calculate which number is greater. Now we will see the formation of the numbers. You have given some digits. Using these digits, you have to form the greatest number and the smallest number. How many digits I have written here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6. 6 digits I have written here. So using these 6 digits, you have to form the greatest 6 digit number and the smallest 6 digits number. First we will form the greatest number. So to write the greatest number, you have to write the greatest number among these digits. So you have given 6 numbers are here. So in that, which one is the greatest one? Yes, this is the greatest one. Now write these numbers, write these digits in descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. Write these digits in descending order. That means from bigger to smaller. The first one is 9. Then which number will come? Yes, 7, then 6, then 5, 2, 1. So this is the greatest 6 digit number that can be formed using these 6 digits. So what you have to do is, you have to write the digits, the given digits in descending order. Descending means from greater to smaller. So here 9, then 7, 6, 5, 2 and 1. How can you read this number? Yes, after each period you have to insert comma, here 1 comma and here 1 comma. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 9,76,521. Now using the same digits, we have to form the smallest 6 digit number. You have to form the smallest 6 digit number. You have to do the reverse of this. In this case, for greatest we have written in descending order. Smallest means you have to write in the ascending order. Ascending means from smaller to bigger. So you have to write in ascending order. You can write the reverse of this only. If this is in descending order means this way it will be ascending order. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. 1,25,679. Like this way you can form the greatest and smallest 6 digit numbers. If you have given 7 digit, 8 digit or 5 digit also, you can proceed with this same method. Next we will see, we have to calculate how many numbers are between 2 numbers. So I have marked 2 numbers, that means 2 and 10. You have to find how many numbers will be there in between these 2 numbers. This is a smaller number, so you can mark in the number line and you have to find. If suppose they are asking for bigger number, suppose 200 and 500, how many numbers will be there? So it will be difficult for to mark in the number line and count. So we are having one formula for this one. What is the formula? Greater number minus smaller number minus 1. This is the formula to calculate how many numbers are in between the given numbers. I will repeat it again. Total numbers is equal to greater number minus smaller number minus 1. This using an example, I will show you this one. We will see. I told you that you have to find the numbers in between 2 and 10. In between 2 and 10. So which is the greater number here? Yes, 10 is the greater number here. After that, which is the smallest number? 2. 10 minus 2. Then minus 1. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. We will see whether this is right or not. We can calculate this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this is right. But this is the smaller one. I told you this is the number line is very small. Suppose they are asking, you have to find the numbers in between 200 and 500. How can you calculate? You can calculate by this same method only, that is you can apply this one. So 500, greater number minus smaller number, that is 200 minus 1. 500 minus 200, 300. 300 minus 1, 299. So 299 numbers will be there in between 200 and 500. So using this formula you can calculate this one easily. That means greater number minus smaller number minus 1. Next, the topic is that shifting of digit. Suppose you have given a number and they are asked to find, using the same number you have to write a bigger number than this one or smaller number than this one. How can you calculate this one? See this one, shifting of digit, 7194. 7194 is here. So they are asking you to write a number that is lesser than this number by shifting the digit. You have to write a 4-digit number by shifting the numbers that is lesser than the given number. Consider the numbers in thousands and hundreds place. Thousands place 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Thousands place 7 is there and in hundreds place 1 is there. So you can shift the numbers. I am going to shift. Shift means changing the places. By shifting, what will you get? 1794. This number you have to keep it as it. I am going to shift this number only, that is in hundreds place and in thousands place. By shifting, what will you get? 1794. 1794. So this number is lesser than the given number. Like this way you can shift the numbers, and by rearranging the numbers you will get the lesser number and the greater number than the given number. I hope all of you have understood all this topic. Thank you all and have a nice day.